What's going on, guys? Just gonna go out and get some pictures, so figured I'd take you along with me. Trying out this GoPro on the head type thing. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll find out. My camera, got the tripod. Sounds amazing, listen. Yeah, that'll do. Turn it on to quiet mode for a second. There's no way this is gonna work. I'm recording the roof. Alright, we're gonna try this again. I got another mount, put it on the head mount. So yeah, hopefully you're not looking at the roof now. I might use those clips, I might not, but anyways, going out to get some pictures, and yeah, I'm gonna try to GoPro it for you. This is weird, I can still see, but it's definitely right in front of my face. I can probably take it off quiet mode now too, since we're out of my laneway. There we go, that's a little better. Even got the dash, so it's switched. This digital dash is sweet. But yeah, she's got the auto rev match on it too, so makes downshifting nice. Gotta drop it down a couple gears here for climbing the hill. A bunch of stones. We'll drop her in a second. That's a little nicer. This car is planted. Bunch of deer out there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Six of them, it looks like. Some guy on a bike's got the same idea I do too. Might have been a girl, actually. Decent. Look at it. Wow, it's bright. There's just not enough clouds though, so I don't think there's gonna be much for like it going across the skyline. It's just gonna be the sun, obviously, but it'll still be a nice picture. Now basically what I do is just come out here on a back road, drive till I see a spot that looks good. Right here is alright, but there's a bunch of trees and stuff, right? So I want to get somewhere where there's not a bunch of trees. What do you guys think? Get on it a little bit? Yeah, she goes. Get her up into 6th, save a little bit of gas. Wow, that's a nice spot on the road. Look at this, holy, got some, woohoo! She's planted. This road's terrible, holy. We got here, ooh, gravel, gross. We don't want that. This is alright, but there's the forest at the back, so that's not gonna work. Nope, that's not gonna work. Not at all. That might work, but the trees are kind of in the way. If the sun was more to the right, it'd be perfect, but it's more left right now. It's time of year or whatever. Yeah, I might keep going and see if I can find something else. Hopefully this is an opening. Ooh, it looks promising. Wow, corn's pretty tall. Wow, yeah, that's gonna work. Alright, that'll do. This time I don't even gotta park in the road, I can back right into this spot. Let's see how that'll look. Ooh, she's going down quick, I gotta hurry. Got a car coming too, but I'm off the road, we're all good. I actually need to be more here, I think. You know, this might be alright. That car turned away. Yeah, I might actually stay here because the sun's gonna come. I don't know if that's gonna work. I kinda want the sun behind my car. We'll try this though, see what happens. If I have to move it later, we will. Pop trunk. These keys are in my pocket. Restart now or key is needed. What are you doing? Really? Because I shut the car off when I was outside of it? That's annoying. Ooh, she's dusty. On the bright side, I'm going to go on the other side of the road, so hopefully it doesn't pick up the dust too much. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Figure out how I want to frame this right now and see what I want to do. The corn's kind of almost too tall, so that's kind of messing with me a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to snap a couple pictures. So yeah, basically my camera's dying, but I'm going to raise my tripod a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's the shots I got. Definitely have to go a little taller though for the tripod. Yeah, basically this is how I spend my evenings a lot of times, just watching the sunset, taking some pictures, and oh yeah, it's a little better. We're gonna get a lens flare here though. I have to move over here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so basically I just moved to offset the car, because if I was to the right where I was, then we're gonna get a lens flare on the car, and I don't have any filters or anything, so I just move around. Works for me. I better snap a picture though before my camera dies, because yeah, we ain't doing so hot on the battery side of things. Okay, I'm gonna go a little taller on the tripod yet and try to get a looking down at it maybe shot. Another car coming. Thankfully I'm not parked in the road. It's a pain when I gotta do that, and then I gotta run back to the car, quickly move it, and this is a nice spot actually. Nice person, they waved at me. I was shooting one time, and I was in like long grass, and I lost the rubber thing from my tripod, so now it's constantly uneven. I always gotta offset it to get it level. Like, yeah, one leg's like, you know what I mean? It's all good. It works. Just takes a little longer to find the horizon and get it right. Sometimes I'm a little off and gotta correct it in post, but there we go. Get the dark. Well, the sun disappeared quick. That's actually crazy. It's just gone. Hopefully it gets nice. Like sometimes once the sun disappears, it blows up over the whole sky, so we'll wait and see if that happens. If not, it's been a nice night. Bunch of beans. The beans don't got beans on them yet. They're just still growing. Wow, look at the sky. Nice and red. Maybe I'll take one more shot. Take one farther back. I don't think it's going to do much more, but this is kind of just a test shoot anyways. Tell me what you guys think about this type of video. I want to try out the new mounting of my GoPro, because I've tried a couple times now and I never liked it, so I never posted it. But if you end up seeing this one, I guess I'm happy with how the GoPro footage turned out. Hopefully these pictures turned out alright. I didn't really shoot too much, but car's looking good. It's a little dirty, but I mean, looks pretty good right now. But yeah, like I said, I didn't really shoot too many pictures. I think I shot 3-4 pictures there, so we won't have a lot to edit, but maybe I can come up with something good for you guys and show you that too. It's a little trunk pop button above the license plate, if you guys didn't know that. There's my lens cap. Grab that, put the camera away. But yeah, I'm shooting with a Canon T6S. Nice little DSLR. I don't know, there's a lot better out there obviously, but it does the trick for me, and yeah, I like it. Well, let's hop in the beast and make our way back home, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys.